Yes, YouTube, welcome back again. Pumpage for BTC, new all-time high. You know, if you watched my previous video, we could expect this, right? If you followed me on X, I gave you this entry. You know, I'll show you later on in this video what you can expect now for BTC. You know, the thing is we're heading to major resistance again, so it cannot pump forever, right? What goes up must come down, easy as that, you know. The thing is now, just be careful with long positions actually. You know, we created a new all-time high, but you can see that the lower time frames becomes weak now on the RSI, and that you can expect some sort of a reversal or a pullback to see more upside eventually. You know, the thing is we have the 4 hour, a bearish divergence on the 4 hour above the 200 moving average on the RSI, so we need to break the 200 to confirm this bearish divergence actually. But you know, we watch it day by day. You know, follow me on X and I keep you guys updated there with entries and you know, trade updates and that kind of things, right? The thing is now, I'm not trading at the moment. You know, I closed my long actually yesterday with gains, and you know, I want to show you guys that I literally gave you an entry 2 days ago. If you watched my previous video, I told you guys that we could expect upside, right? I'm still aiming for 114, 115k for BTC. You know, we are now at Thursday of the second week of July. So we can expect some pumpage or a pullback. You know, the thing is, we need to confirm this bearish divergence on the 4 hour. You can see that the 50-minute becomes bearish now at the moment. So, you know, you can expect a pullback there. Crazy fair value gaps underneath us. You know, the buyers need to strengthen again. And that's a little bit it, you know. So stay tuned. You know, I give you guys a clear update for what you can expect for the coming days, you know. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more updates and if you want to make crazy gains actually, you know. Follow me on X. If you go to my X profile, you could literally see that on 8 July I gave you guys this entry, right? We came to the demand zone and now it's time to fly actually. We're already up to 112k. You know, I also gave you guys this XRP trade right before it pumped. We're now somewhere at 2.5k, so this model played out already. The thing is, I also post this kind of updates in my Discord group, so if you want to join the crypto gainers for free, click the link in the description and it's totally free, you know, and I'll see you there in the group and let's make some gains together. If you want to trade on MEXC, click the link in the description, you know, collect your 8k bonuses. So guys, you know, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and we literally created a new all-time high at 111, let's say 112k, right? But what you can see now on the 4 hour or the 8 hour, I thought, excuse me, is that we become bearish, right? On the daily, sorry, on the daily, excuse me. You can see that the daily becomes bearish, but we're still above this 200 moving average. So what needs to happen actually to confirm this bearish divergence is that the price needs to come underneath the 200 moving average to confirm that this is a bearish divergence, right? So what you can see on the 15-minute now actually is that we're creating a sort of bull flag. But yeah, a bull flag in a premium market most likely will fill, so you can expect downside actually. We have a fair value gap here. And we have some fair value gaps here, right? Let me check. I'm still waiting with my limit order actually on this 786 here. So there's a possibility that we come back to sell side liquidity to eventually fly back up, right? Actually, when you go to the daily time frame, you can see that it's the 786 on the daily time frame. So we ripped off from the 618 actually to new all-time high to see some bearishness now. Don't chase green candles, you know, we're at crazy resistance still at the moment. We need to break, we need to flip this new all-time high actually to confirm a crazy breakout. You know, that's the biggest mistake a lot of traders making, is that they see the market go up and then they go long and then they got wrecked because, you know, we have an exhausted RSI, right? So guys, you know, quick update on BTC. Same situation for XRP. XRP came for sell side liquidity, is now at the 786. Crazy fair value gap underneath us, so we can expect a pullback. You know, that's the thing. Once BTC starts dumping, everything starts dumping, right? You need to confirm a breakout. I will not say that XRP is not doesn't create a breakout, because it's already broken out this resistance level, but you can expect a pullback to the 786 to fly back up. So if you want to enter this trade, follow me on X. I give you the perfect entry. Join the crypto gainers in the link in the description, and stay updated. You know, that's the thing, stay updated and don't chase green candles actually. So guys, I thank you all for watching. You know, like this video, subscribe to my channel, join the crypto gainers. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.